Hello and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at the infographic of the United States of Depression. First, I wanted to show you the whole infographic, and we're going to go through it point here in just a moment, but I just wanted to show how it would catch the eye. So of course we have the title up here, and then from there we have the subtitle. So I have Women Help College Students in the Annual Cost of Depression. And that's in the black there, as you can see. In the white, we have the statistic. So 70%, 50%, 30%, and this crazy large figure, which we'll get to here in a second. And it goes through, and then from there, we have, of course, the sub heading of the explanation and all of those kind of good things. So, looking in, let's go back up a little bit. See here. Okay, hang on. So, my apologies for that. So for this, starting with 70% of women are 70% more likely than men to be diagnosed with depression within the U.S. We have the bar here with the 3 men and the 7 women make up that 70%. We also then have help. And it's 50% of Americans do not seek help with a major depressive disorder. 30% of college students feel that they are being depressed, and they feel like it's being impacted by the annual cost of depression. And this is based on also productivity in the healthcare crisis. So, from there, the conclusion is, how will you change the world? This is meant to be more impactful as well as educational in regards to this infographic. It, of course, has those education points of, hey, this is what's going on, these are the actual facts, but also the impact. I chose these specifically to impact the onlooker, to say, wow, this is like a really big deal in regards to those kind of things. And then from there, it gives sometimes all someone needs is someone that's there for them. And how are you going to help those around you? So it's just the thought-provoking there at the end. I did use a template from Canva. I have used Canva a few times before and really enjoyed their stylistically of the implementation of the design. I did go through and I changed the infographics here, or sorry, excuse me, not the infographics, the little icons here are all changed. They are all standard icons that were free within Canva, as well as I did change the color and all of the, gosh, I just lost my train of thought, my apologies. I changed the color of everything as well as the typography that's used. And I think that is where we are at. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Have a great day.